Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to tag someone on a Facebook post. It's super duper easy. So let's get started. Now what you need to do is open your Facebook app and click on what's on your mind to compose a post or create a post. And let me just type an example. And you want to tag someone. So you just need to click on the blue person icon beside the gallery icon, which is, the tag icon. Click on that. And you need to choose someone who you want to tag on that post and click done to confirm. And that's it. And you just need to click post to share it to everyone. And that's it. That's how you tag someone on a Facebook post. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.